Hello everyone, my name is Dipti Parmar. I am working as a nursing tutor in Knowledge Institute of Nursing, Anand. Today we will see about the health problems in India. In that, we will see about the population problem. As you can see in the picture, that there's this bird having so many children. So, if our country or in the world there are so many population, then which problems are occur that we can see in this video. In that first, the population is one of the biggest problem facing the country with its inevitable consequences on all aspects of development, especially employment, education, housing, healthcare, sanitation, and environment. So, if the population is arising in our country, so that what things are affected by that, so there are so many things which are affected. In that first is employment, education, housing, then healthcare facilities. Okay, if population is over, so these services are not available to all the population. Okay, so not all people can taking the benefit of the these all services. So if the if in our country, so population is over, so these all things are affected. Okay, so people cannot take the benefit of these things. So and this is the biggest problem. Okay, nowadays there are so many people who are facing the these so many problems. Okay, they cannot get the job, they do not very well educated. So and so many people, they don't have their own houses because of this population. Okay, so overpopulation is the biggest problem of our country. The next, what are the causes of overpopulation? So there are mainly two causes of overpopulation. In that first one is the birth rate is still higher than death rate. We have been successful in declining the death rate, but the same cannot be said for the birth rate. Okay, so first causes of overpopulation is so that the birth rate is higher. Okay, death rate is nowadays declining. Okay, because of so many medical facilities which are available in our country, so death rate is nowadays declining, but as compared to death rate, the birth rate is very higher. Okay, so because of that, the population is increasing day by day. Okay, the second cause is the fertility rate due to the population policies and other measures has been falling, but even then it's much higher compared to other countries. Okay, so in that, the fertility rate is also higher. Okay, nowadays you can see that there are so many medical facilities or services which can improve the fertility rate also. So because of that, the fertility rate also becoming more higher. Okay, and in our country, fertility rate higher than the other countries. Now, we will see about the above causes are interrelated to the various social issues in our country which are leading to overpopulation. Okay, so that two causes are interrelated with so many issues. Okay, and that issue mainly facing in the society. Okay, so there are so many social issues which because of that, that two main causes are occur. So first one is the early marriage, second one is the poverty and illiteracy, third one is the age old cultural norms, and last one is the illegal migration. Okay, as first, as we can see first issue, and in that early marriage. Okay, so early marriage means nowadays no one can all population are well educated. Okay, all people, all society people are very educated. So they are not believing in the early marriage, but there are some of the people who are now still believe in the early marriage. Okay, they married their children in the very low age, okay, at 15 or 14. Then second one is the poverty and illiteracy. Okay, so the, day by day, so many technologies we are accepted, but still there are some areas, there are some societies which are really poor, okay, destitute, they are impoverished, or they do not get the benefit of the now technology. So they also don't have the idea about that what are the main causes of the overpopulation. Okay, so they are not accepting what are the uh, what they can do for the stop the overpopulation. Then third one is the age old cultural norms. In that there are so many people who are aged, old age people. They still believe in the. Uh, they are not believing that they can stop the population. Okay, they just believe that there is no any issue because of population. Okay, so if you are going to educate them, if you are going to encourage them to stop the uh, stop that four or five children producing, so they don't deny that. Okay, they not accepted that they stop this. Then next one is the illegal migration. Illegal migration means that some people who are migration means to settle down from one area to another area. Okay, so some people are migrated from illegally, okay, not legally, they are migrated illegally from one area to another area. Then next one is the effects of overpopulation. So as we can see in the first slide that the bird can carry so many children. So you can see in that picture. So yes, see that bird is very in stress, okay, and no, they can't, that she or he can't handle. Okay, so as the picture in our country also, uh, there are so many services are available, but that services are uh, very limited. Okay, so not all people can get benefit. If there are so many population, so many people, if I am giving example, if there is two rooms, and in that two rooms they that rooms are very small. Okay, so in that small two rooms we just push 400 or 500 people in that one room, so they are after 5 or 10 minutes they are very suffocated. Okay, they can't live and in that room for hour or more than hour. Okay, so they just trying to uh, so many conflicts are producing between them. Okay, so as as we see that example, so in our country also, if the population is increasing day by day, so there are so many services which are very limited. Okay, so not all people get benefit of it. So in that first we see the unemployment. Okay, if the population is very higher, okay, so there are so very limited jobs are available, so they can't, not all people get the jobs. Okay, so you can see that there are so many people who are unemployed. Okay, they can't get job, so they just doing some very little work and earning money. Then second one is the manpower utilization. Third one is the pressure on infrastructure like transportation, communication, housing, education, healthcare, okay, etc. So pressure in infrastructure. In our country, so many infrastructure, so many services are available. But as I said, you in employment portion, as the employment, if these services are very limited. Okay, transportation. So they can't get the benefit of transportation. They can get the benefit of housing, education. Okay, so many people, you can see that they are illiterate because of this overpopulation. Okay, then healthcare services. Okay, there are so many poor area where they even don't know about the medical care. Okay, if you are go to that area and just educate them, they are really unaware about it because of this population. Okay, they can't get the benefit of these services. The next one is resources utilization, like land, water, forest. Okay, they not getting the water as much as they want. Okay, then land. Okay, they don't get the uh, living area. Then forest is, they can't utilization. Okay, the if the overpopulation is there. Then next one is decreased production and increased cost. Okay, there. So if I give example, then in that, I if I give 20 chocolates to 200 students. Okay, so what happened after that? There are so many conflicts are occur. Okay, not all students get the chocolates because of there are 200 students, and I only give the 20 chocolates. Okay, like that. Decreased production is decreasing, but the cost is increasing. Then next is inequitable income distribution. Income can't distributed very equally. Okay, inequitable. So some get very low amount of income, some get very high amount of income. This, so there are so many other effects of poor population, but there the, this indicates only six effects of population. Now we can see the steps to control population. How we can control the population. In that, first is increasing the welfare and status of women and girls. Okay, what we can do that, we can educate the woman. We can improving their status of health and welfare. Okay, we of girls and women. Okay, who are above 18 to 35. Between that woman, we can educate, encourage them. Okay, empower them. Then spread of education. Okay, we can go to the communities, we can go to the very poor area and educate them about what are the effects, what are the causes of population, what how we can stop that population. Okay, so we can spread the education. Then increasing awareness for use of contraceptive and family planning methods. Okay, after going to that area for education, we also spread the awareness about the particular contraceptives, then family planning method. Okay, we can educate the people who are very poor, who are illiterate, who don't know about what is contraceptive and what is family planning. So we can give education to them. We just improving awareness about that. Okay, then next is sex education. Okay, we just educate the adolescents. Okay, adult people about the education about the sex. Okay, what is the how they can. Okay, we can also including in that contraceptive use. Okay, what is the family planning. Okay, so we just educate them about the sex. Then encouraging male sterilization and condom among poor. Okay, then next, encouraging female empowerment. Okay, female, as you can see in the first point. Okay, we just empower the female by providing them some services. Okay, so we also create the drama or some skits for empower them. Then last one is more healthcare centers for the poor. Okay, so those people who are poor, those who are not getting the uh, those who are not getting the medical services or many services which are available, so we just provide them to at some centers. Okay, so just not only PSC, CSC, nowadays there are so many services for medical facilities, like also available medical services are also available at the health and wellness center. Okay, nowadays health and wellness centers are also available and active, so they can so the poor people can get the benefits from them. That okay, thank you, and we will see next topic in the next video.